Hooty hoot. Welcome, Pathways. Welcome. Check it out. There's your graduated silk. It's going to read in milliliters up to 50. Milliliters and cubic centimeters are the same. I'll prove it to you sometime, but not today. Here's our big scale, which is reading in grams, and that's telling me how heavy that thing is right now, right? But now watch. And I'll give you a bird's eye view. Your x-axis is going to be the volume, and your y-axis is going to be the mass. And this is going to be liquid 1. And I'm going to give you your first data point. Here it comes. I'm scared, trying not to spill. The old man is down the road. All right, I got a data point for you. What is that? Zooming in. You see that long line right there is the 10, right? And that next halfway long line is a 15, so you can count, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many milliliters is that? Remember to read from the bottom of the fat line. What's that touching? Is it on a line, in the middle? You pick. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you the mass for your first data point. Oh, that's in grams, ladies and gentlemen, that's in grams. Oh, which one are you gonna take? Changed on us. That ain't right, but we'll take it. All right, here I come. I'm gonna splash some down in there now. Here it comes. Here comes. A couple of good squirts. Here's your second data point. Nice and zoomed. I don't know what that is. You gotta tell me. Read the bottom of that line. And now we're gonna take that mass. How much mass? Oh, that was your second data point. Here comes your third data point. Kersploosh. What's that gonna be? I don't know, because I'm putting more in there. Okie dokie. What's that say now? Oh, gotta get that one kind of in the middle. Read from the bottom of the line. And here's your mass. Oh, here comes fourth data point. Fourth? I don't know. I'm gonna give you about 8. This time we're just gonna do 1 in there. Just mix it up a little bit. What you got, what you got, what you got? Bird's eye view says, you count. You see what that is? And now the mass. Here we go. Here comes another liquid 1. Splooch into there. And another half of a kersplooshler. What you got now? Eyeball says, what's that? I don't know. You call it. You call it. And mass. Oh, that's 5. 3 more coming at you right now. Here comes one. One big kersplooshler. What's that? That's your volume. God, you can read it. And here's your mass. And here comes one more. I'll do 1.5 this time, just so you don't get into a habit. This is gonna be 6, I think. Oh yeah, what's that? Read from the bottom of that fat whitish line. And now take that. And here comes 6. Let's just do that much more. What's that? Ooh, what's that? Groovy. And here's the mass. Swing. And here comes 7. I'm gonna pile on this one. big jump this time. All right, what you got? What you got? What you got? Oops, wrong way, silly. Ooh, ooh, what is that? Mm-hmm. You guys seen the pattern yet? What's that gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh! Did you know it? Did you predict it? All right, seeing the pattern. Last one, here we go. A massive Kersploochler. A big old Kersplotchler up near the 50-ish. That's it, I'm done. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Ooh, that's a fun one. Yeah, you got to pick that number, right? Mm-hmm. And the mass. There you go. That's data set 1. All right, pathways. Here comes crazy old 2 at you. Same setup, same process, different liquid. Kind of looks the same. All right, but you'll notice it's not at all the same. Make sure that that thing says 0. Oops, wrong way. Data set 2, it does. So I've zeroed out those 2 pieces of glass were the same weight. Still says 0. All right, so here comes data set number 1. That's crazy. Get in there. Get in there. Or don't. Okay, I don't care. I don't even care. Oh, gotta do a little more though, because I just barely got that first line. All right, you crazy stuff. What is going on with that crazy stuff? Let's zoom in a little bit. There you go, guys. What is that number? What does that say? Bottom of the crazy fat line, right? And now mass. Mm-hmm. There it is. All right. Here comes data set number 2. So here comes your x-axis. What does that say? Mm-hmm. What's that say? And now here comes the mass for your second point. All right. Here comes number 3. And you're gonna say what that volume is for your x-axis. And then the mass that goes with it is right there. Oh, catch that? Mm-hmm. Okay. That's in grams, remember guys? Well, it's on Mary's thing she made for you, so you're cool. Here comes number 4. What's that? I don't know. You read it. Ooh, that one you gotta read. You gotta be smart. Bigger than 15, less than 20. Wonder what that is. You call it. And that mass is kablamski. Is that 4, right? All right, you guys, here comes 5. A beautiful clear liquid. Liquid number 2. What's that gonna be? Read the bottom of that fat white line. And mass number 5 for the y-axis is, got it? Mm-hmm. Here comes 6. Plooch. What's that say, geniuses? What's that say? You read it. And here comes your mass. Oh, got it. That's in grams. 2 more. 2 more, 3 more, 6. I don't know. I've lost count, you guys. Forgive me, I'm tired. Had a long day. All right, what's that say? Eyeball right there. What's that say? What's that say? And I think that's 6. So I think I got 7 and 8 coming at you yet, you guys. If I give you 9, well, you'll forgive me. Here comes 7. And Paluch. What is that bad boy? What are you going to call that? You read it. And I'm going to show you math. We got one more for liquid 2. There it is. And here comes 8. 8? Oh my gosh. I'm losing my mind. I think this is 8. I'm pretty sure it's 8. Okay, guys. It'll still work if I don't give you the same number. It'll still work just fine. Got it? And mass. Oh, that's liquid 2. We're having a blast. All 3, 4 of us. Here comes, you guessed it, you know it, you love it. Liquid 3. I wonder what up with that. We're going to find out. Let's make sure that our scale is 0 first. I'm going to just 0 it because I know one of those scales, one of those glasses, if I remember, was just a little bit heavier. All right. Now, can I do squishy squishes with these? I think I can. I'm going to pour it first, though. All right, here we go. Scale says 0. Yep. Here they come. Here comes data set, or liquid number 3. Beautiful, clear liquid number 3. Point number 1. What is going on with that crazy stuff? Let's zoom in a little. All right. What do you... Oh, I'm sorry, guys. They count up backward that way. Got to show you that side. Now you're happy, right? So that's a big fat line. How are you going to read that? You got to make a call. Be a scientist. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. Somewhere between that and that. What are you going to call it? I don't know. But this, you're going to call easy. Easy peasy. How many grams? You got it. Here comes data point number 2. With a big kersploosler. Clear liquid that don't behave the same. What's that number? Yeah. Plus or minus number maybe got a little bigger with these reads, huh, you guys? Lucky we're not worried about that too much. What's that say? Interesting. Oh, got it. All right. I saw that. Here comes number 3, right? Number 3. Point number 3. Yes. And plooch. Point number 3. Get your eyeball right on there. What's that? Got it. And here comes, oh, other way, dummy. Other way, gimbal, dummy. He's got it right there. And here comes number 4. Kerplooch. That's number 4. Get your eyeball on there. Right there, nice and level. What's that going to be? This is liquid number 3. What are you going to call that? And then that mass is kablam. Oh, got it? Yes, we got it. Here comes number 5. 0.5. Volume for the X number on your beautiful graph. What's that volume? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Right there, right there, right there. Okay. And mass looking like that. Here comes number 6. Ooh, I went. Go big or go home. I am home. Number 6. What's that gonna be? What you gonna call it? What you gonna call it? What you gonna call? Who are you gonna call? I should have put music on. I don't know what. I let you guys down. 25. All right. So you listen. Then I babble more. All right. Here comes 7. 7. What's that? What's that? And 8. All right, you. Couldn't get that last drop to fall. Crazy kids. Okay, got it. Got a number and a mass, please. And that should be 8. If I ripped you off and it's 7, well, you'll forgive me because you're nice. All right. That's 3. All right. Had a little bitty meltdown there with my number 3. Little Genevieve almost got wet, but didn't. Saved you. All right. So we're going for 4. Last set of data. And this one, I don't know, another liquid, clear liquid. We'll see what this one does. I think I might be able to squirt this one in there. Let's do a pour for the first one. That enough to read? I think so. Get off of there. All right. Oh, it's on the inside. We're good. Okay, first data point looks like that. Let's zoom in a little bit. We got to turn that because it reads upside down too if you want it to. But we want to read right side up. Ooh, that's an interesting little one, isn't it? What's that going to be, you guys? Nice. And mass. I did zero it out. I remembered to, I promise. Zero that bad boy out. Okay. Data point 2. I can squirt these in there. Data point 2 for liquid 4. Data point number 2. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? And mass. Interesting. Okay. Here comes data point number 3. Curse splotch. And a half of a splotch. Well, I give you a whole splotch. All right, what you got? What you got? Get your eyeball even. Right there is even. Count them lines. That one's in the middle. You're gonna have to pick something. Cool. And here comes a mass. I think that was 3, right? Here comes 4. 4 for 4. That was hilarious. That's it. 1 curse splash. That's all you get. Mix it up a little bit. Eyeball dead even says. What's that? What's that? What's that? And that's the mass. So here comes 5. Bum, 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 bum. All right, what you got? Eyeball says. Bottom of the fat white line says. That's your X, and here comes your Y for that one. That's the math. That was 5. Here comes 6. Let's do a big jump. All right, that's a jump. That's a 6 jump. And let's get that right on there. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Call it. Dare to be dumb. Here's the mass. Here comes 7, right? So just 2 more. Here comes 7. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Bottom of the white clear crystal line. That's pretty with the light on it. I had my big old head making shadows, so I had to put a nice light on there. Got that? That was 7. Here it comes. Last data point. Hooty hoot. Hooty hoot. Hooty hoot. All right, there it is. What do you got? What are you calling that? And kerblam. That's it. Got your data. All right, guys, got 4 data sets. I got one more little thing I want to show you. It's only going to take a minute. And then we're good to go. Peace out. All right, last big magic show, you guys. All the labels are gone. Which liquid is which liquid? I don't know. She don't know. Sniff, sniff. I don't know. What's going to happen? Well, first of all, this was interesting. I put that little drop in there, and that's what happened. A drop of food coloring. That's crazy. It's supposed to be the green one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour these ever so carefully. Actually, yeah, I'll just go in order, right? I'll just go in order. And we're going to find out what they are. We're going to find out how they stack up, or what are they going to do? What color are you going to get when you mix all these together? What you think? All right, I'm going to keep the blob out of there. Okay, so that's that one, which was supposed to be green, but it's going to be clear. Yay. Here comes Old Yeller. Old Yeller. And who cried? Now show of hands. Who cried when Old Yeller died? You see this okay? Yeah, you can see. Show of hands. What the? What the? You guys see something? I see something. Interesting. Look at that. And now we're going for blue. He, 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 he. What the? What is going on there? That's kind of awesome. That's kind of awesome. And last but not least, ooh, something weird's happening there. Last but not least, where's this one gonna go? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's magic, kinda. That's pretty magical. Look at that! Your job, based on your data, you should be able to tell me what color's what. Ha ha ha! Pretty cool, huh? Yay! All right, they're all kind of settling out in there. That's kind of fun. You guys see that? Wow, that's crazy. I'll zoom in on the magic rainbow. And you guys are going to tell me, based on your data analysis, who's what. Yes, it's like the crime scene investigation. Well, that's a little over dramatic, but it's fun, yeah? Pretty cool. All right, peace out.